Yeah, good afternoon. So I said you must understand the circular aperture diffraction. The diffraction caused by a circular aperture is the first minima occurs at theta is equal to 1.22 lambda by d. The derivation is out of your course, but you must understand this location of the first minima occurs here for a diffraction caused by a circular aperture. Now remember, a lens also is also an aperture. Okay, so when the light passes through the lens, light diffracts. So now we know that if diffraction happens through a lens, the diffraction will limit the resolution power of the lens. We would like this diffraction to be controlled in a manner so that the limit of resolution we get is the highest. So first of all, understand Rayleigh criteria, then understand the diffraction, and then start applying this to the optical instrument. Thank you very much.